Howdy YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing to do. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is staying safe and warm. This has been a brutal winter so far, but hopefully you guys are alright. Now we got another unboxing to do. Thank you guys for sending me this unit for a review, and you guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. Yeah, we got Super Bowl Sunday coming up and other good things, so definitely take advantage of Prime Day deals, Prime Big Day deals, and all those deals in between. And you can get one of these at a low cost of, I'm not too sure what the price is right now, but definitely check them out. Okay, now that's over with. Here we go. That right there, coming from ZARIMI. ZARIMI. It's an air duster violent fan. No violence. Wireless and portable, powerful wind speed, brushless motor, high power suction, great for detailing your keyboards, your electronics, even inside your car, outside, or no, inside your car. Large capacity, good for battery long life. Ooh. Get some other goodies with it. It also does multi-use, powerful and effective, simple operation, satisfaction guaranteed. Okay, so that's all the same on the other side. Now let's take a look inside. Boom, boom, boom. But we are back now. Usually end of January and beginning of February is kind of slow because of their New Year's and other things going on with the holidays and stuff like that. So we are back though. Get a nice little travel bag. Take this on the road with you. Nice little satchel. Boom, boom, boom. And here are the one of these things called detailing things. Here's another one. Put that right there, right there. Oops. Back it up, back it up. We got this one for the crevices to clean, I do believe. They'll have an instruction manual what they're called. I think this is a sucker. Of course, got the USB. Should have some juice to it. Yeah, see those things right there. Got the manual. One is the turbojet fan. 2 is the nozzles. I guess it is called nozzles. An LED indicator light, control button, charging port, lanyard, hole, battery indicator, air outlet, power switch. Okay. And of course you get a quick start guide. And now the main unit. Oh no. You get a little duster. Kind of looks like a makeup thing. Brush. Nice bristles. Put that right there. See, nice little combo. There's a lanyard. I'm not going to need this, so I'm not going to pop it in. But you just run it through the hole, and then you'll be good. Now here is this thing. Definitely these things come in handy. Especially for detailing keyboards and stuff like that. Get the dust out. Got a little blue tape there. This is super lightweight. Not that heavy. So you can definitely take this on the road. Look at that turbo fan. Woo! There's a bam, boom, boom, boom. So you just stick it through that hole, like so. I might as well show you guys for the video. Stick it in. stick it in there. Here we go. So you can have it dangling. Use like a thumbtack to hold it. Okay, now that's to adjust. Beware. Do not block the inlet. Okay, I don't need a sticker. There's a little sticker right here. There we go. There we go. Just like a warning. Now we are clean. Looking good. Oh, another sticker. Gotta love stickers. Okay. There's a USB. That's where you plug it in, charge it. There's a battery life right there. It'll turn green or white. This will flash green. Okay. Whoa. Off. We'll do the what I call the crevice cleaner. I think you just pop it in. Whoa. Holy smoke. Whoa. Holy moly. I was not expecting that at all. This thing is powerful. I think I'm locked in now. Yeah. A little stinky. You can tell. You got a little light. Yeah, and lift the box. Now this is the highest setting right now. You can clean pretty much everything that needs to get. And so we got it pretty good. Good 12 inches up there. Now, if you're looking for air duster, violent, this is the one to get, guys. Holy smokes. Good deals going on now. Check them out. You'll be very happy with this purchase, I guarantee it. So I'm definitely going to put this thing to use throughout winter cleanup, early spring cleaning. Get all my electronics clean and ready to go. Alright guys, check them out. Like I said, link is going to be in the bio. Hit the subscribe button and the likes. Much appreciated. So really cool stuff coming from these guys. Super lightweight, easy peasy. And like I said, all I gotta do is switch, boom, pow, bang, lock it in. Oh, ow. Whoa. The light's a little bit different. Holy moly. Uh-oh. Okay. Alright guys, check them out. Link in bio or in the description. See ya.